absolutely gorgeous day. Absolutely gorgeous day. I just decided to exercise today with the walk because it's gorgeous day. I did my cleaning of the house and all that stuff, and then I decided to go out. It's 12 Celsius, but it's absolutely gorgeous. The leaves are changing. Gorgeous weather. I ran a little bit, not a lot. Out of practice. I ran the day before yesterday, half an hour in the treadmill, but I need to take it easy. I had to remove my windbreaker because I'm already hot. I'm already sweating. And I'm done like a 2.5 kilometers so far. And probably later I will remove this long sleeve little top and just stay with the t-shirt because I'm hot already. This is my point of reference for 3 kilometers. This farm. I'm gonna turn around now and I will go the long way. That will be from 9 kilometers, a little bit more maybe in total. Sometimes it's 11 when I go further. But it's been a while since I done those long hike, and I want to take it easy. The other day I did a hike, but only 4 kilometers, so slowly get into the mood. I will turn around here. From the kitchen window, I can see these 3 deers. The closest is the mother, and the other 2 are daughters. The big one is from the last year, and the smaller one from this year. A little baby snake. I thought it was like a worm, but that was dead and nothing. There you go. It's hiding there in the grass now. Now a green one, a completely green snake. I never seen one like this before, this green. Today is the day of the snake in the road. Unbelievable. The neighbor's cat sitting in front of my porch in a chair. Marmalade, that's his name or her name, I don't know. Another hiking day. The day before yesterday I did over 5K. Yesterday over 7. Let's see how many kilometers I do today. The temperature is 10, but it's very windy, very windy, but it's sunny, so it's really nice. Probably more cold than 10 because the wind, but it's nice, very sunny. Absolutely love it. Another absolutely gorgeous day. Yesterday I didn't exercise. Today is past noon, but it's amazing. Amazing. The weather is 16, but I think it's a little bit warmer because of the sun. It's not windy, so it's perfect. Absolutely perfect day for a hike. Look how gorgeous that tree. Absolutely gorgeous. How some of the tree leaves change in the fall here in Canada. I absolutely love it. My favorite time of the year. I'm doing something different today. I'm crossing from one row to the another through this hiking path, through the little forest here. And this will go to the park, and from the park I will go home. Here's the park, the soccer fields, and the community center, and the park is just right there. I almost don't come out for a hike. One of my toenails is bothering me, but I said I had to try. I had to try because we only have just a few days more beautiful weather, and when the real cold weather is here, usually I exercise indoors, so it's absolutely gorgeous. And to show you the exercise work, if you see some of my videos, I'm very big in some of them, and I just go up and down, up and down. I love exercising. When I stop exercising, right away I gain a little bit of weight. And that's why I try to exercise almost every day. I do exercise every day because I always gain weight when I go to Cuba, because I don't exercise. Well, at least this time I didn't did any exercising in Cuba. I hardly slept at night because of the electricity problem. So I had a traumatizing experience. After I came back, I spent 2 weeks almost in bed. I didn't want to get out of bed. Traumatized, like feeling sorry for the Cuban people. And there's nothing we can do about it. Only the people that live there can do something about it. So it was a horrible experience this trip. How beautiful that bungalow look there. It's like 2 years old, and it's absolutely gorgeous.